So the circle, I cut it out using the bandsaw in a prior video. So what I said before was that you can't get perfect round circle using the bandsaw. You're going to get as close as you can as possible to it. So what we're going to do is we're going to use actually the belt sander, the circular part, to make this as round and smooth as possible. Now only the edges. Now the top piece you can use the flat top of the sander, to go get it and get those rugged edges out or whatnot. But the best part of this tool is the ability of using a circular part, so you can actually rotate while it's rotating the actual sander to get rid of those, as you see, very rough edges that I had to use, that I was able to cut. So now I'm going to go ahead and turn this on. Pretty loud. As you see here, we get closer. Very easy to actually make that circle. Smooth. So now I'm just going to use the top, trying to get rid of that rough edges. Nice and smooth. Perfect circle, pretty much. You want to get rid of some of that. Nice and smooth. Well, I hope you guys like the belt sander. I definitely recommend you getting one of. It's only going to set you back for about $149. It's not bad at all. Especially if you're going to be doing lots of projects, I definitely recommend using this sander. So if you please go ahead and subscribe right below us. Subscribe and like us and share our videos. I'll see you next time. Thank you.